everyone, welcome back to Shata and Rajesh. Today I will be introducing you to a new cutting edge technology that the leading water purifier brand Aquaguard has launched, the Active Copper and Zinc Booster. The Active Copper and Zinc Booster technology gives you the double goodness of copper and zinc in your drinking water. Double goodness, copper and zinc in your water. You must be thinking ऐसा कहाँ होता है जहाँ Aquaguard होता है. Eureka Phobes is India's leading health and hygiene brand. Aquaguard, which is one of the flagship brands of Eureka Phobes, is virtually synonymous with healthy, safe drinking water. We all know the importance of staying hydrated, but with Aquaguard, your every glass of water is safe and healthy. Aquaguard water purifiers are equipped with advanced technologies like Active Copper, stainless steel tank. Aquaguard now launches Active Copper plus Zinc Booster technology that instantly infuses goodness of copper and zinc within Bureau of Indian Standards in your drinking water. Yes, you heard it right. It is a clean, free technology that comes with a comprehensive life of 6,000 liters. The product that you see behind me is Aquaguard Eden, which I installed at my home a couple of days ago. Well, first of all, as you can see, that look of the Aquaguard is aesthetic and fits perfectly in any kitchen. Metallic copper look, smart LED indicators, international fit and finish is what is remarkable about the Aquaguard Eden. And the best part is it comes with a superior stainless steel tank that has a lifetime warranty. So double the goodness of copper and zinc along with protection of steel with one water purifier. Unbelievable, isn't it? So how does Aquaguard Eden gives you the goodness of copper and zinc? Aquaguard Eden not only comes with the newly launched Active Copper and Zinc Booster technology, but also comes with lots of new features which makes the water purifier a perfect fit for all your households. It is equipped with superior stainless steel tank of 304 surgical grade that makes it anti-corrosive and long lasting. Aquaguard Eden's inbuilt tray can easily hold a 1 liter bottle, delivering absolute convenience and enhanced experience. The first of its kind do-it-yourself technology that helps in filter replacement within few minutes. Multi-stage purification. The multi-stage purification process such as eye filter, chemi block, RO cartridge, UV e-boiling, taste adjuster (MTDS) combined with flagship Active Copper Zinc Booster technology and superior stainless steel tank indeed makes it the best purifier ever. All Aquaguard RO plus UV plus MTDS product can save up to 60% water, whereas ordinary water purifiers waste 50 to 75%. Mineral Guard technology retains essential minerals like calcium and magnesium naturally present in water, giving you healthy water unlike ordinary water purifier which deplete all minerals. Zero pressure pump. This allows homes with low or zero water pressure to have the purest form of drinking water in no time. UV with e-boiling. Ensure that each drop of water is pure and healthy as water boiled for 20 plus minutes. Now you must be thinking that is it healthy for all age groups, specifically for children? Well, the copper and zinc ionic fusion is as per the drinking water specification, that is 10,500, which is safe for consumption for all age groups including children, pregnant women and elderly. You can drink this water throughout the day. As I have been using this product for quite some time, I think you should go for Aquaguard Eden with Active Copper and Zinc Booster technology if you are looking for a water purifier with the latest technology. To buy, you can visit your nearest retail outlets like Reliance Digital, Vijay Sales, Chroma, or buy it at www.eurekaphobes.com. To know more about the product, visit the link mentioned in the description. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Hope you all like this video. All buying links are provided in the description. See you in the next one.